Sierra, go ahead, continue. On the ninth day of Christmas.
True love came to me. 9 drummers drumming.
It's 9 ladies dancing.
Hey, but there's another version of the 9 drummers drumming.
Wrong! It's 9 ladies dancing.
I heard in the book.
I heard in 5 books.
I heard in
Oh, don't crush his hand.
Okay.
10 books.
Then it
All
was
right.
9 ladies dancing.
Okay, let's just continue.
Oh!
Yeah, let's discontinue.
No, just
No.
continue. Okay, Sierra, do you want to continue?
And the what?
9.
Oh, on the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. 9 drummers drumming, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Yay! Now the 10th.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Something. Well, what's it? 10.
10 lords are leaping.
Right. 10 lords are leaping.
Thank you.
7. 9 drummers drumming. 8 maids a milking. 7 swans a swimming. 6 geese a laying. 5 golden rings.
You sing terribly. You're going to jail for that. Jail.
No, I mean 20 golden rings. Okay.
She's in jail.
All right, Jeremy, we're on 11. On the 11th
11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
Where's piping?
No, that was the last day.
No, the last day was 12 drummers drumming.
No.
Ooh, Slurpees.
11
11 slimy serpents.
That's it.
Okay, do you want to finish it or you want to do the 11th?
There, I'll finish it off with
12.
12 pipers piping. Now that he's out of here, it's time for some nice holiday stuff.
Yeah, holiday stuff.
Now, Jeremy,
Birthday holiday stuff.